Good morning and welcome. Today I will take a look at a washing machine here. It's not old, it's I think 2 years old, but it makes a terrible noise when it spins. So I will change the rods inside and maybe do some mods. I have to see. So you're welcome to follow. Let's see what's happened.
You feel it? You there? You there? Turn it up. Spotlights on, you're in the zone. Heat like fire through my bones. Eyes lock once, now I can't breathe. Your rhythm's got a hold on me. Heartbeat sync, your body sways. I'm addicted to the way you play. No escape, I'm caught, I'm wired. You're the spark that lights my fire. Tell me, do you feel it too? This chemistry between us two. No more talk, let's lose control. Give me your love, just let it roll. Be my lover tonight. Electric desire, take me higher, we ignite. Be my secret flame. Burning through the dark, calling out my name. Be my lover tonight. No need to run, we're already in flight. Touch me, tease me, don't let go. Your love's a drug, now take it slow. Electric desire. Neon lights and dirty beats. I'm lost in your energy. Pull me close, don't hesitate. Let's write our names on fate. Velvet lips and strobe like kisses. We're dancing on forbidden wishes. Feel the rush, no time for shame. Say the word, I'll play the game. Tell me, do you feel the flame? We're wild hearts, we can't be tamed. One more touch and I'm all yours. Let's burn it down, let's break the floor. Be my lover tonight. Electric desire, take me higher, we ignite. Be my secret flame. Burning through the dark, calling out my name. Be my lover tonight. No need to run, we're already in flight. Touch me, tease me, don't let go. Your love's a drug, now take it slow. You're in my head, you're in my veins. I want it louder. Say my name. Be my lover. Take me high. Electric desire, set me on fire. Be my secret flame. Boy, you drive me insane. Be my lover. Take me high. Electric desire, set me on fire. Be my secret flame. Boy, you drive me insane. Electric desire forever. Be my lover, electric desire for a drink. Forever.
Yeah, I don't really know about this, but I think it's a good idea. It can still move freely. Maybe I should shorten that one. But anyway, yeah. But I will still change those suspension rods. That one up here and all the way, and it's hooked up here. So that I will change anyway. But I have to wait for those new suspension rods. They will arrive tomorrow, I believe. So I'll just leave it like this.
His name's not on a headline, no parade rolls through the street, but the world wakes up each day because he keeps it clean. You won't find their stories on the front page every day, but
it's a new suspension for the washing machine. Oh, this is good. Yeah, very good. Okay, let's get them installed. I have a little trick here. I take a piece of wood and I put it under the drum here to get the tension of the suspension that are located here in the corners. So let me just do that.
here's to the quiet people. She answers every phone call with a calm, familiar voice, even when her own heart's breaking. Kindness is her choice. He drives another mile through the pouring rain at 2, making sure somebody's waiting, gets what they're going through. She laughs so everyone else forgets the weight they bear. No one knows she cries alone before she does her hair. He tells another tired joke just to make the silence bend. Some heroes wear a smile until they make it home again. You won't hear the echoes of the lives they gently change, but every act of mercy leaves the whole world rearranged. Here's to the quiet people holding up the sky, carrying tomorrow, one ordinary night. The ones who keep on giving long after hope feels small. No, they don't ask for glory, they don't ask much at all. They're the steady heartbeat beneath the noise of it all. Here's to the quiet people. If every unseen kindness left a light above our heads, the darkest streets would sparkle like a million stars instead. Maybe love is smaller than we ever dreamed it'd be, a hand held in the silence, or letting someone breathe. Maybe changing someone's whole world starts with simply saying, I see you. Here's to the quiet people, still choosing to be kind, still showing up each morning when they'd rather stay behind. To every unseen fighter Here's to the quiet people. The world is louder because of the famous, but it's still standing because of you. So if nobody's told you lately, thank you. Keep going.
Yeah, I did a test drive on the washing machine here, and I took like a big towel and got it really wet and placed it on the side of the drum and run like a spin program. And it's actually not hitting the outside of the machine anymore. It's very good. So my little modification maybe did the trick, or the new suspension. I don't know. The new suspension was about $10. Yeah, $10. So I'm really happy with it. I will have an extra machine here so I can wash like dirty microfiber cloth and things like that. So thank you for watching and have a great weekend, and I will see you soon.